Now let's learn how to use the Pathfinder tool. Go to your right hand side, click Pathfinder. You will see the Pathfinder tool like this one. If let's say you cannot see the Pathfinder tool, always go to the window and search for Pathfinder. Now let me just quickly create a tree icon here so that you know what is the Pathfinder do. Alright, let me create another color so that you know the differentiate between the Pathfinder two. Okay, so let me teach you a trick so that you can quickly duplicate a copy which you created previously. Select the whole thing, click Alt and click your left mouse click and drag it to the below and release your left mouse clicks and Alt so that you can duplicate the things quickly. Alright, let's talk about the first one first. I highlight all of the object inside the artboard and I go to the Pathfinder. This icon here is called Unite. What does the unite means? Unite means that you unite all of the objects together. Let's click it. You can see that wherever the object is being united together already. Alright? Okay, let's move on to the second one. I highlight it. You can see this icon is a divide, which I normally use it to divide the object. So let's click on it and click A. You can see this part is being divided on trees. I mean the object got two objects here, but the things being divided by one part, two part and three part. When I click this one and I click delete, you can see this one is being divided to the three part. Alright, okay, let's move on to the third one. I highlight all of it and let's go to trim. So trim is almost same with a divide function, but trims is only like trimming the front parts. Okay, what do I mean by that? Let me trim it first. And when I want to click A, and when I select this object, right, you can see that, hey, this part is being trimmed. Why the things is being trimmed like this one? It's simple, because let me redo it. You can see that this object is being placed on front of this blue object, right? So it means that if let's say this object is on front, you want to trim, you only trim this part. Same goes with if I put the blue object in front, you can always right click, arrange, bring to front to bring this blue object onto front. So when you highlight all of it and you click trim, the front part will trim the back part. You see the objects are being trimmed on the green part area. Now you have known that the three basic functions of a unite, divide and trim function. Let me tell you the differences between a unite and merge. So I have created a very simple object, which is a rectangular and circle and a blue rectangle here object, and I duplicate with two. So let me discuss about what is a unite and a merge differences. When I try to select all, I click unite, you can see that all of the objects are being united together. You're only left with the basic object behind. So whereas merge let you merging all the things together and become the the one shape together. Let me merge each together. Then you can see that the object are being placed on front are united together and merge inside the green color rectangular object. So this is the difference between a unite and a merge. And you also can bring the front object out of the green object. Alright, this is the function of a merge.